In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT, stuck on verifying. If you see the verification spinner that never finishes, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you clear common causes and get back in smoothly. Start by opening your web browser. Any modern browser works, but make sure it's up to date for the best compatibility. Next, search for ChatGPT and head to the official site. If you land on a verifying screen that seems frozen, we'll try a few safe, targeted fixes. First, do a hard refresh. This forces the page to reload without relying on cached files that might be corrupted. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. Give it a moment to reload completely and check if the verification completes. If it's still stuck, consider your network setup. Security checks can sometimes flag VPN or proxy IP addresses as suspicious. Temporarily turn off your VPN or proxy, then reload the page. If you're on a corporate network, a quick test on a different connection, like your home Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, can help confirm whether the network is the issue. If the glitch persists, clear site data just for this website instead of wiping your entire browsing history. Click the icon next to the address bar. This is usually a padlock or site information button. Then choose Cookies and Site Data. From there, open Manage On-Device Site Data. Find entries related to the site, click the trash bin at the end of the URL to remove them, and then click Done. This resets the site's stored cookies and local data without affecting other websites. You may be asked to sign in again afterward, which is normal. Next, think about extensions. Highly restrictive ad blockers or privacy tools can prevent the verification widget from loading properly. If you use one, try temporarily pausing it on this site and refresh the page to test. To quickly check whether an extension is the culprit, open the site in a private or incognito window. Most extensions are disabled there by default, giving you a clean environment. Sign in and see if verification goes through. Finally, if you're on one browser and still stuck, try another. Switch from Chrome to Firefox or Edge, for example. This often bypasses browser-specific conflicts or settings that interfere with the verification step. That's it. Work through these in order. Hard refresh, check VPN or proxy, clear site data for this site only, test without extensions, try a private window, and then switch browsers if needed. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the verifying loop and get back to your chats.